pretty major late March snowstorm here. Just like a week ago, it was 68 degrees, and now we're here. We probably got over a foot on the ground right now, and it's coming down hard. It's going to be coming down hard for the next 2 hours here. Very slippery. Definitely getting snow rates of over an inch an hour right now. It's coming down very hard. We had a period like a couple hours ago where it was just raining, so we have a lot of ice in the trees and stuff. But if that was just snow at that point for those 4 hours, we would have over 2 feet right now. But currently on the ground, I'd say we probably have maybe 13 inches, and it's coming down hard still. Roads are in terrible condition. Seen numerous people off the road. Just really dangerous driving conditions right now. There was like a layer of ice underneath the snow, so this is like drive no faster than 30 miles per hour weather